Right, let's look at the first question. It says, Mr. Lauji left his house at 9:15 and it took him 30 minutes to get to work. What time did he arrive at work? So, this is what 9:15 looks like. Well, this is 9 o'clock actually. So, 15, quarter past 9 is this. It's the same as 15, 9:15. Because there are 15 minutes in a quarter of an hour. Yep, 5, 10, 15. That's a quarter of an hour. If it was half past, we know that there are 30 minutes in half an hour. If it was quarter to, it means it went all the way around up to here. That is 45 minutes. There are 45 minutes in 3/4 of an hour. Or when it's quarter to, it says 45 for the minutes in our digital time. I digress. Here we are, quarter past 9. Right, so here we are, quarter past 9. I'm going to draw that number line for you. You can see 9 and then the 15. And it said it took him 30 minutes. So have a look at the number line I'm drawing right over there. And you can see that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes have gone. So we're going to write the times in underneath, okay? So after 30 minutes, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, 9:45. So that's what time Mr. Lauji got to work, 9:45 a.m. a.m. means in the morning, okay? Let's move on to question number 2. Luca got up at 5:45 a.m. to watch the NASA aircraft zoom by his house. Nice one, Luca. After an hour, he fell asleep. What time did he fall asleep? Ooh, after 1 hour. Just do a massive... We looked at that earlier. We saw that... Let's get to 5:45 here so you can see. Let's go backwards. Whoa. Right, so 5 o'clock. And then we want 5:45. Nice early bird time. That's the wrong way. Is that right way? 5:45. Yes, that's the right way. Here we go. 5:45. That's what 5:45 looks like. After an hour, he fell asleep. So we know that if you can increase it by an hour, the minutes time stays the same. And it's the hour that goes up by 1. Okay? So that's it on a number line. And to prove it to you as well, here we go. Goes all the way around. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes in 1 hour. There is our time. 6:45 or 6:45. Number 3. Layla put a delicious chocolatey cake in the oven at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. The cake was in there for 2 hours. 2 hours. What time was the cake ready? So it's 10:30 a.m. I'm not even going to show you on this anymore. Let's just use the number line, 10:30 a.m. As you can see, if you go to the next hour, it becomes 11:30 a.m. Nothing happens to the minutes, it's just the hour that changes because we're counting in hours. And then after 11:30, 1 more hour to make that 2 hours in total. It takes it to 12:30, 12:30. Okay, so we've moved on from a.m. to p.m. Now it's the afternoon. Okay, so that's what the time's going to be, 12:30. Well done. Number 4. Nicholas began playing with Lego at 3 p.m., 3 o'clock, and it took him an hour and 30 minutes to complete his rocket. When did Nicholas finish his rocket? So let's partition this now. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's do our jumps of an hour. 3 o'clock, jump 1 hour is going to be, let's jump it in this way. Jump 1 hour, and it's going to be 4 o'clock. Nothing happens to the minutes. So 4 o'clock. Now we've done a jump of an hour. Tick. Let's do a jump of 30 minutes. So here we go. Jumping to the 30 minutes. Easy peasy. Because it's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We'll jump 30 So 30 more than 0 is 30. So the time now is 4:30 or 4:30. Question number 5. Gulje left the hospital at 11 a.m. and it took her 15 minutes to get home. What time did she arrive at her house? So we're not counting in hours, now we're counting in minutes. So here's our timeline, 11 a.m. and then we are going to count 15 more minutes. 5, 10, 15. And let's look underneath, counting on from the 0, 5, 10, 15, 11:05, 11:10, 11:15. Fantastic. That is the time, 11:15, otherwise known as 5:15. Excellent. Right, let's go on to the next day or the next set of questions. Question number 1. Penny got on the bus at 9 o'clock. Okay, or 9:00 in our digital time. Just put it on our number line. The bus ride took half an hour to get. What time did she get off the bus? So half an hour is the same as how many minutes? 30 minutes. Right, so let's count on the 30 minutes. Love counting 5, let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Right, 30 minutes. 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30. So the time is 9:30 when Penny got off the bus. Well done, Penny. 9:30. Question number 2. Ted went to the dentist at 11:30 or 11:30. There it is on the number line there. He came out of the dentist at 12:30. So how long did he spend with the doctor? Okay. Let's count in minutes because we're not sure if we're counting in hours or minutes. You might have already spotted it, but I'm just going to break it down nice and easy. So here we have 11:30 and now we have 12:30. We need to get to 12:30. We need to know how many jumps. We need to know how many minutes will get us to 12:30. Alright, so here we are. 11:30. Let's count in 5s until we get to 12:30. We need to stop at 12:30, okay? 11:30, 11:35, 11:40, 11:45, 11:50, 11:55. Here's the tough part. We don't say 11:60. It goes to 12. 12:05, 12:10, 12:15, 12:20, 12:25, 12:30. This is where we stop because this is the time we need. So we've got all those jumps and we know we're counting in 5s. So let's go. Let's count how long it takes, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It takes 60 minutes. And you all know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. Excellent. That was number 2 done. It takes 1 hour. Well, Ted spent 1 hour with the doctor. Question number 3. Sophie went to the dance club at 12 o'clock. Okay. She spent 1 hour at the dance club. So what time did she leave? Alright, dancing Sophie. Let's have a look. 1 hour of dancing. Nice. We're going to jump in hours. 1 hour. Okay. We've done that one jump of 1 hour. Minutes stay the same. So it's still o'clock time, which in digital time is 00. And it's the hour that changes. Now, 12, we don't say 13. We're going to go back to number 1, okay? We'll save 13 for the 24-hour time, which we'll learn later on. But for now, because on the clock you don't see a 13, we will jump to the next o'clock time. And as you can see, there's Sophie dancing at 12 o'clock. After 1 whole hour, goes all the way around. It's now at 1. Alright. 1 o'clock. Sophie left the dance club. Nice one, Sophie. Let's go to Dexter. Question number 4. Dexter went to play football at 3 o'clock. He played football for 1 hour. And what time did he stop playing football? Same thing again. Do your jump of 1 hour. Easy peasy. Minutes stay the same. The hour is on 4 o'clock. Great stuff. Question number 5. Caden went to see Harry Potter at the cinema at 7:30. Love Harry Potter. Well done, Caden. Good choice. The film lasted for 2 hours. What time did the film finish? We're counting in hours. Keyword here, hours. So 1 hour. 7:30. We land on 8:30. Minutes stay the same. 2 hours. So 1 more hour. Yes, there we are. We landed. The minutes are still the same. 30. But it's now gone from 8 to 9. So it's 9:30. The film finished at 9:30. 2 hours. Well done. Okay. A bit of an extension now. Put these clocks in order. Could they go in a different order? Explain your reasoning to a friend. Alright then, here we go. We've got one time that says 4 o'clock. We've got a 12 o'clock. And we've got a 10 o'clock. Now if we put those numbers in order, you can see. Let's start with the 12. It can be in this order. From 12 to 4 and then to 10. So well done if you've done that one. But have a look here as well. We can have a 10, then 12, and then 4. Or you can even have this. 4 o'clock to start off with, followed by 10, and then 12. Now, the reason why we can have it in those orders is because it just keeps on continuing round and round. Alright? And we don't know whether it's in the morning or the afternoon, so it's just continuous. So after it resets itself from 12, goes back to 1. I hope that makes sense. Maybe you've written down something better than my explanation, and if you did, well done. Good, love it. Alright, let's look at the next one. Got our lovely pieces of information. Hopefully we can answer these now. True or false? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Yes, true. 1 minute is made up of 24 seconds. Have a look. No, not 24 seconds. 1 minute is made up of 60 seconds. Good, there are 30 minutes in half an hour. Yep, we've got that information. A quarter of an hour is 45 minutes. Not 1/4 of an hour, not a quarter of an hour. Nope, that is false. Bit tricky there though. A quarter of an hour is 10 minutes. Nope, a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Okay, so that one's wrong as well, false. And there are 24 hours in a day. Yes. Well done. Explain how you know. Can you correct the statements that are wrong? Enjoy doing that part, okay? I've said a few things there. Hopefully you can explain it yourself. And I hope you enjoyed the maths pack. It's been a pleasure. Love the time. And have fun. Enjoy it. Alright, well done. Time done.